Here we go then.
Oh my god.
Front row POV on speed. The Intamin water coaster with the crazy lift hill. We're going to get so wet here on the front. Last time I sat on the front here, the water came over the front and soaked us.
We're already getting wet.
It's raining as well, so it's spitting. Oh. Oh, I think I've picked the horrible side again on the lift hill. I have. I'm going to be on the exposed side again.
Oh my god. It doesn't help that it's raining. Oh, why did we do this? Oh, we're tilting. Oh my god.
Oh, this is terrifying. It's just not right. Why isn't there even a stopper there?
Yeah. Why did we do this?
Here we go then. That horrendous lift hill.
And we're tilting.
It's okay when we're leaning that way. It's when we lean the other way and there's nothing on my left-hand side. It's horrendous.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Why have we got tilt though?
It's so that you can pass the other, you know, the other thing that's coming down as you're going up.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here we go then. Speed water coaster.
Oh my god! Oh my god, we're gonna get soaked! I'm already drenched.
That was just a spray.
No! Oh no!
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it wasn't too bad. We did okay. I did okay anyway. How's Regan?
Bad.
Wet.
My period just went down.
Oh, that was awesome.